Vicious, give me a minute now. You don't mind, sure?
No man, him can't go on. OJ, be careful.
Go on.
Until you say a day, I'm going to hold them in a hitmaker.
What you do to share it to them?
Why? You know, so I just start me today I talk to her still, me and her go and hold a reason. No, the real is still, you know. You see me? So I want to ask that though.
So she look.
Oh, okay, so.
Smile Jamaica, it's morning time.
Okay.
You see it?
Just
So
say,
I go on with you and butcher.
why, I want to tell you, say, Butcher now no manners still, you know. Butcher feel have some manners, you hear that? Need to discipline, you see?
Yeah, me want to go on. I tell you, say with you and butcher, you know. What go on with him and share.
Some little thing, I want to tell you, say, some little thing will go down, you don't know. A woman that, so they might always be a woman. They might want defensive about them man, see me when it comes to certain things versus a badness, you see me? So, but they I show a dog, you say, yo, the dog all a style.
So you back knife on him, you back a check on him for sure.
Hit me, come on, tell you, say, how that come down to, you know. I just to, and the man did a reason, the man all call me woman, girl, brother. You're not supposed to make you reach this up. You can't see you have your teacher where you deal with because I carry them and I talk about push your girl and her. So that's why thing come down. It's a disrespect, you see me? So that's why I have to just put a stoppage to it and make it know say her. But I did have use my ratchet on him still because you don't know all the way I want to see but you do.
Yo, Vicious, more I know I threw away from the jump still, you know. You see it? So we have to fix this. This can't go, so brother.
Hitmaker, I'm willing to fix it still, you know. Because different Vicious this now, you know. But him have to know say when it come to my woman, I have limits. You can't say certain things about my woman and me just here, so bro.
And at the same time, you can't be a girl clown in front of your virgin too, you know, brother. You see it? You know them things they look.
You know that, brother. So when you forward like a while, she never did so, though.
Why, she was so nice. I'm if it tell you.
Nah, sure you, bro. But certain things take time still, you know. Because I kind of have to stand my ground and I want to make you know what time it is, you see me?
The right thing that, brother. Just take your time deal with it. You see me? Well, you know me kinda feel the vibes about Butcher right now. You see, it might move some kind of way, brother, what I like.
So you might move.
Stubborn. Some little humpy business.
I him that from morning, bro. Remember when you don't know some my head hot still, you know, brother. But me still take talk.
I go on pre-war, go on still. But you see differently. And my daughter and my business, my focus upon. You see it? So right now, I now go say, I now go there for my brother them if they need and want to help in a bridging. I tell you no face to face. My focus right there, so. You hear that?
A real talk, brother. There's some mates there right now, you see it? I see it, let me get a real woman in my life, I know. I can't mash up that business type to, you know.
As a matter of fact, never want to talk about no more negative thing, you know. You see me? That me I deal with. What go down at the bar, go have a drink.
Yeah man, round on the block alive.